Good day, guys. Welcome to my blog. This is Simon the Faithful. S- So this time we will accompany Oiler June on how he is preparing our main engine. Now he's going to engage the turning gear because second engineer instructed him to turning the engine. So now he start the turning gear. He run already, then start also the servo oil pump. So the turning gear is already engaged, so he just started, then run the servo oil pump. So let's check if it's already. So it's already okay, so we need to follow Oiler June. So this is a very important video, guys, for those aspiring and wants to know how to prepare a main engine. So there is some difference with other ships. Depends on how they make it, but the idea is always similar. So after turning the turning gear, guys, you need to preload, start the pre-lubrication of the cylinder liner, because you're going to turning the engine. So in case of 30 minutes turning, you need to push every 15 minutes. So the first start is after you push the start button of the turning gear, then after 15 minutes you need to run again the preload. So our engine here is a diesel united, a Warsila Sulzer electronic engine, Artiflex 50 6-cylinder. So this Artiflex is not a pulse lubrication. So now 30 minutes is already done. So Oiler June is going to disengage the turning gear. So again, we're going down. So stop it, turning gear stop, servo oil pump stop, and put to automatic position. So now the oiler is going to release the turning gear from the flywheel by seeing to it that the gear of the turning gear is free from the gear of the flywheel, so he can easily pull away the turning gear. So after that, guys, you need to check also, because double checking is always best practice on board ship. So now the turning gear is disengaged. You can also check that in the control room. There is an indication lamp for disengage of this turning gear. So after that, I think the oiler is going to open the starting air, but before that he needs first to drain the water accumulation of the air reservoir tank. This is a best practice, guys, for ratings and an engineer, to always drain this tank free of water, or not totally free, but lessen the water accumulation, you know, guys, because especially if your engine is an electronic engine, there's so much solenoid bulb. That is a cause of the stack up of solenoid bulbs due to this water, because it will create stack up. I learned that from my previous chief engineer. That's a best practice, guys, so I'm just sharing that with you. So the oiler is already done opening the air, so he goes to turbocharger for checking if there is attached filter or attached cover of filter. So of course he needs to remove that. So your preparation of main engine, guys, may differ from this ship, but the idea is almost the same. So you will observe that there are few bulbs that the oiler is open. So now he goes to indicator cock. This indicator cock is already open because he is finished turning gear, but he is just double checking it for readying this air blow. So some vessel I experience, there are a lot of bulbs, air distributor, starting bulb at this side, but this ship, guys, I observed that. So the engine is ready for air blow. So the second engineer put to auto the auxiliary blower. Once he does that, guys, you need to check if the engine is already parallel. So because once he put that standby button, that auxiliary blower will automatically run. So you need to double check that. As a third engineer, I'm responsible for that. So before 30 minutes notice, the diesel generator is already parallel. So we're in standby, guys. The second engineer now ready to air blow the engine by pushing this air run. So once the second engineer pushes that, already supplying air to the engine for air blow. So once finished, the oiler will close the indicator cock for ready starting of the engine or testing of the engine. After that, after testing, it will be transferred, the command will be transferred to bridge command. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and like and share. Thank you very much for watching.